Welcome to our Binance NFT review. In today's video, we're diving into the Binance NFT marketplace, showing you how it works and how you can start buying, selling, and trading digital assets with ease. Binance NFT offers an extensive collection of NFTs, including art, gaming items, and virtual goods. Navigating the marketplace is straightforward, whether you're a newbie or a seasoned NFT trader. When you first visit Binance NFT, you'll notice a clean, user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate. The homepage features popular and trending NFTs, as well as featured collections that highlight the latest and most exciting items in the NFT space. When you want to browse more NFTs, the site offers various categories like art, collectibles, and gaming, giving you plenty of options. Binance NFT also has a search bar that lets you filter through collections, artists, or specific NFTs you're interested in. Each listing includes detailed information such as the current price, recent sales data, and the creator's profile, giving you the tools you need to make informed decisions before buying. Creating an account on Binance NFT is simple. Just log into your Binance account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're in, you can connect your wallet and start browsing for NFTs that catch your eye. If you want to make a purchase, you can do so using Binance Coin, BNB, or other cryptocurrencies, depending on the seller's preferences. The platform is built for fast transactions, and with its low fees, it makes it one of the most competitive NFT platforms on the market. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. For creators looking to list their NFTs, Binance NFT provides a straightforward minting process. You can upload your artwork, set a price, and list it for sale in just a few simple steps. Binance also offers an NFT auction feature, where sellers can set up timed auctions for their pieces, potentially driving up the price in competitive bidding situations. The marketplace is also designed with security in mind, leveraging Binance's strong security measures, ensuring that your NFTs and funds are safe. Whether you're buying or selling, you can feel confident that the platform offers a secure environment. Binance NFT is also great for collectors who want to build a digital art portfolio. The platform allows you to track your purchases, see price histories, and even resell your NFTs if you decide to trade them later. The liquidity on Binance NFT is robust, meaning that there are always buyers and sellers looking to engage in transactions. If you're looking to learn more about Binance NFT and how to make the most out of it, be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. We'll be bringing you more in-depth tutorials, tips, and reviews on the best platforms for NFTs.